Have you ever wished for a way to keep your eyes strong and your vision clear without relying only on glasses or expensive treatments? Well, nature has already given us a simple solution that we often overlook: nuts. Yes, the humble nuts you might snack on can actually help rebuild and protect your vision, especially when eaten before bed. Almonds are far more than a crunchy snack. They're one of nature's most powerful protectors of eye health. These small, oval-shaped nuts are packed with vitamin E, an essential antioxidant that acts like a shield for your eyes, defending them from the slow, invisible damage caused by time, light exposure, and environmental stress. To understand why almonds are so effective, it's important to know what happens inside your eyes every day. As we age, the cells in our retina and lens are constantly exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage healthy tissue. This oxidative stress is one of the main causes of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, two of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Vitamin E, found abundantly in almonds, helps neutralize these harmful molecules before they can do lasting harm. Just a small handful of almonds, about 6 to 10 nuts per day, can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin E needs. When eaten before bed, almonds go to work overnight, supporting your body's natural repair processes. During sleep, your body rebuilds tissues and restores balance. And the antioxidants from almonds enhance this process, helping to repair microscopic damage to eye cells accumulated during the day. But the benefits of almonds don't stop at vitamin E. They also contain healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A and E, both crucial for vision. These fats also support better blood circulation to the eyes, ensuring that essential nutrients reach delicate eye tissues. Additionally, almonds provide zinc and riboflavin, which play supporting roles in maintaining clear vision and reducing eye strain. Scientific research supports these claims. Studies published in journals like Ophthalmology and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that people with higher vitamin E intake have a lower risk of developing AMD and cataracts. So, before heading to bed tonight, consider replacing sugary desserts or salty snacks with a few almonds. Over time, this small nightly habit can make a big difference. Think of almonds as your nightly natural eye supplement. A simple, delicious way to keep your vision sharp and your eyes protected for years to come. Walnuts are often called brain food, but their benefits extend far beyond mental health. They are also remarkably powerful for your eyes. In fact, walnuts can play a vital role in strengthening the retina, improving moisture in the eyes, and even supporting sharper vision over time. Their secret weapon lies in their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which the body converts into DHA and EPA, two critical nutrients for maintaining healthy eye cells. The retina is the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye. It captures images and sends them to your brain, much like the sensor in a camera. But the retina is highly delicate and constantly exposed to light, oxygen, and stress, which can cause cell damage and inflammation. This is where walnuts shine. The omega-3 seconds in walnuts help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow to the retina, and support the formation of photoreceptor cells, the tiny cells that allow us to see clearly, especially in low light. One of the most common issues people face with aging eyes is dryness and irritation. Omega-3 seconds help combat this by improving the oil layer in tears, which keeps the eyes lubricated and comfortable. Regular walnut consumption has been shown to reduce symptoms of dry eye syndrome, a condition that affects millions, especially those who spend hours in front of digital screens. Walnuts also contain vitamin E, zinc, and selenium, all of which further enhance their eyeprotective.org power. Vitamin E guards against oxidative damage. Zinc helps transport vitamin A to the retina to produce melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes, while selenium strengthens the body's antioxidant defenses. Together, these nutrients create a protective network that nourishes and shields the eyes from age-related decline. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and the American Optometric Association shows that diets rich in omega-3 seconds are linked to a significantly lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and diabetic retinopathy, two serious vision problems that can lead to blindness if untreated. To enjoy the benefits, eat a small handful, about 4 to 6 walnuts before bed. During sleep, your body uses these nutrients to repair and strengthen retinal tissues. Think of walnuts as your overnight retina restorers, natural, simple, and incredibly effective in keeping your eyes strong and your vision clear. Among all the nuts in the world, pistachios stand out as a colorful powerhouse for your eyes. Their vibrant green hue is not just beautiful, it's a visual clue to the incredible nutrients they contain. Pistachios are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two potent antioxidants known as the eye vitamins. These natural pigments are found in high concentrations in the macula, the part of the retina responsible for sharp, central vision. Eating pistachios before bed helps supply these vital nutrients, allowing your eyes to repair and recharge overnight. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They filter harmful blue light from screens, sunlight, and artificial sources, reducing the strain on your eyes during the day. Over time, this protection lowers the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Two major causes of TNG: vision loss. As we age, studies published in the Journal of Ophthalmology and Nutrition Reviews have shown that people who consume higher amounts of these antioxidants experience significantly better visual performance and slower age-related decline. But that's not all. Pistachios are also rich in vitamin B6, which plays a key role in the connection between your eyes and your brain. This vitamin helps form neurotransmitters that send signals from the retina to the visual cortex, improving how efficiently your eyes and brain communicate. The result? Sharper visual processing and improved night vision. Additionally, pistachios contain healthy fats, potassium, and protein, which all support proper blood circulation and oxygen delivery to the eyes. Better circulation means more nutrients and antioxidants reach your delicate eye tissues, promoting faster recovery from daily strain and fatigue. Eating a small handful, around 10 to 15 pistachios before bed, can provide these benefits without adding excessive calories. What makes pistachios particularly effective as a nighttime snack is their natural content of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. This means they not only help you rest better, but also enhance your body's nighttime repair processes. As you sleep, your eyes rebuild photoreceptor cells, restore moisture balance, and flush out toxins, and the nutrients from pistachios help make that process more efficient. In short, pistachios are like a green elixir for your eyes, protecting them from damage, enhancing night vision, and keeping your eyesight strong and youthful. A handful each night is a simple, delicious step toward naturally brighter, clearer vision.